In a world of shifting powers and changing times, the reign of Queen Elizabeth II stood as a beacon of continuity and tradition. Elizabeth, ascending to the throne in 1952 at the young age of 25, inherited not just the crown, but a legacy stretching back over 1,000 years. Her story begins in the wake of World War II, in a Britain rebuilding itself from the ashes of conflict, striving for peace in a world divided by the Cold War. As a young queen, Elizabeth navigated her role with grace, balancing the demands of modernizing the monarchy while preserving its ancient traditions. Throughout the decades, she faced challenges that tested her resolve: the decolonization of Africa and the Caribbean, the turbulence of the Thatcher years, and the public scrutiny of her family. Yet, her dedication never wavered. Elizabeth's reign was marked by her unparalleled sense of duty and her belief in the Commonwealth as a family of nations, sharing not just a history, but a future. She was a matriarch, not just to the United Kingdom or the Commonwealth, but to the world, embodying stability in times of change and dignity in times of turmoil. Her legacy, shaped by her resilience and her commitment to service, reflects not just the era she was born into, but the decades she helped shape. A story of a monarch who became a symbol of continuity and hope, Elizabeth's journey is a testament to the enduring spirit of service and leadership, leaving an indelible mark on history.